10 fun things to do at home during New Year. Number 1, create a memory board to look back. The New Year is a time for looking back at your achievements and all the good things, so let's start with that. Making a memory board is one of the best things to do this New Year's Eve alone. Just pick a wall you don't really care about or buy a small billboard along with a notepad and thumb pins. Write down your favorite memory on a piece of paper and pin it on the board. Number 2, host a game night and challenge your buddies. Even if you aren't going out this time, it doesn't mean you really have to be alone. Get your bunch of friends or family members and have a board or card game tournament all through the night. It could be carom, uno, or even endless rounds of poker. You could switch between games every hour, so you don't need to engross and lose track of time. Number 3, fire up that barbecue. Barbecues are easily available online under various budgets and sizes, so get one along with a good quality coal and set up out in the open. You can use variety of meats such as chicken legs or breast, lamb or pork. If you are a vegetarian, then paneer, capsicum, onions, tomatoes, and potatoes make great grills. Number 4, sing your heart out with karaoke. Karaoke with your close ones is one of the best ideas for a low-key New Year's party at home. You need absolutely nothing for this apart from a record player which works. Singing aloud your favorite songs, maybe in weird voices, would be quite fun. You could even host idol auditions or shows with 3 of you playing the role of judges and passing comic comments on the performances. Number 5, have a dance party in your finest dress. Just like karaoke, you could have a dance session at your house. You could cover the lights with strong multicolor cellophane so that these mimic disco lights. Then get some drinks, have the music blazing, dress up in your best clothes and start the party. And make sure somebody records because you are going to want to look back at the crazy night you had with your gang. It's a good way to stay awake so that you don't miss the countdown, after which you jump and shout Happy New Year at the top of your voice. Number 6, enjoy a photo session with quirky props. Who doesn't like taking photos? All you Instagram crazy peeps, you have to have a photo session this New Year's Eve. New Year themed props are all the rage these days. You could even get this customized with resolutions you are thinking of taking, things you know are set to happen for you, or whatever else you want. Make funny or really well thought of poses and click amazing photos, making New Year's Eve a night to remember. Number 7, watch all your favorite shows during a TV marathon. Nothing beats binge watching your favorite movies or TV shows with your loved ones. Curled up in a warm blanket, all you need is popcorn, some drinks, preferably a large TV with a good sound system, and dim lights. You could specifically pick Christmas and New Year movies or TV shows. For example, watch similarly themed episodes of Everybody's Favorite, Friends, or all the sequels of Home Alone. Number 8, get countdown bags full of amazing goodies. This is really a good one. Get some bags full of goodies like candies or gifts and mark it with ours. Maybe just write those down or draw a clock. So whenever the clock strikes every hour, you can open the one mark for it. This is especially good if you are celebrating New Year's Eve with your kids or even if your little ones are having a slumber party. Number 9. Organize a treasure hunt for the little ones. Got kids? Then you have to have a treasure hunt because they will absolutely love it. Get their favorite things, hide them around the house, leave interesting or confusing clues and let them have a run trying to find those. It is a good way to engage the kids while you grown-ups have your own party with drinks and lots of bickering. Number 10. Plan ahead by making New Year's resolutions. How do you welcome the New Year without New Year's resolutions? Set together with your loved ones and make interesting and meaningful one. You could get a billboard to pen those down or record it on the camcorder so someone could remind you of those in future. This way, next year, you can really look back and see how far you came to fulfilling the promises you made to yourself. There are loads of ideas on how to make your New Year's Eve celebrations at home worthwhile and memorable.